Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Rosidee's Signature. Guess what, guys? It's been a very long time I uploaded any video, and that's because I told you earlier that I'm on course. I'm so engrossed in this course that I hardly have time for myself, no talk of posting videos or whatever. And remember, guys, the last time I uploaded a video, I told you I was going to upload the continuation of that video, but unfortunately I have not been able to. I've not been able to give the video editing a finishing touch, not talk of uploading it. Guys, please pardon your girl. Please pardon me, guys. Certainly I'll come back in full force. Yeah. So guys, your girl woke up this morning craving salad, but guess what, guys? It's not your conventional salad. Yeah, I woke up craving this local salad, the type that's made in the northern part of Nigeria. I don't know what they call it, but it's still salad however you want it, because you have vegetables. The dressing is not with the usual salad dressing like Parma, mayonnaise or what have you. It's with this local stuff. They call it kuli kuli. I don't really know what they call it in English, but kuli kuli is a byproduct of groundnuts. Yeah, it is made from groundnuts. Okay, this is an example of what kuli kuli looks like. Can you see it, guys? This is what kuli kuli looks like. Okay, can you see that? Here, and this is what I'm actually going to be using for the salad dressing. This is the kuli kuli. I've already pounded it to powdery form. Yep. So guys, without further ado, let me just show you the ingredients. I've got my lettuce, I've got my tomatoes, I've got my onions, then the kuli kuli. You can see it, guys. So guys, thing is, this is not my kitchen. I'm in the hostel. I'm just using one portion of my bed space as my makeshift kitchen. So please bear with me, guys. The most important thing is for me to get my local salad ready. So without further ado, let's just dive into the preparation. So guys, I'm done washing my veggies. I'll just go ahead and start cutting them into the desired shapes and sizes. So guys, I'll just go ahead and cut my lettuce. Guys, you can just cut it however you want. You may want it in big chunks, you may want it in smaller sizes. Just go ahead and do whatever rocks your boat, guys. So guys, I'll just go ahead and slice the tomatoes into rings. I'm going to do the same to the onions. I'll just slice it into rings. So guys, I'll just go ahead and give it a solid mix, and then it's ready to be eaten. Because I do not want it to mess the whole table, I'll just mix it in batches. I'll go ahead and add tomatoes, and then some onions, and then add the kuli kuli powder. You can serve it this way, or you'd like to mix it. Whatever rocks your boat. Just enjoy your salad, your local salad. Okay guys, let's test. Let's taste what we've just made. So guys, I've missed this a whole lot. taste is out of this world, guys. Guys, give it a try at home. You see, you can use this as a side dish. You can actually eat it this way, whichever way. It's beautiful. This is superb. Guys, I'm dancing. This is sweet. This is so delicious. I've missed it a whole lot. Guys, I'm dishing for some of my friends. They don't want to let me see peace, but I'm going to see peace because I'm going to run away with the remaining salad. So until you taste it and let me know what you think. So you taste it and let me know what it looks like.
Because I grew up in the north.
Okay.
Most of the northerners we normally use our hand to eat.
Okay. That's good.
It's called salad.
Yes, local salad, right?
Local salad.
Does it have Hausa name?
Lettuce.
Lettuce. That's what they call it in Hausa. Okay. Okay.
Lettuce and kuli.
Okay.
Onions.
Okay.
Albasa, which is albasa is in the north is called.
Okay, onions is called albasa. Okay, that's good.
Using tomatoes to
Okay,
garnish it.
okay.
Cosmate, you are good.
Thank you, Moya. Taste it now. Let's see if it's okay. If it's like the one you eat in the nurse.
The food is
Oh my God, I'm so happy. That's beautiful. So you like it?
I like it.
Say hello to my viewers.
Hello, viewers. This is Ramatu.
Okay. So they should keep watching my YouTube channel, right?
Watching
Okay.
YouTube channel.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye.
See you, bye.
Guys, you can see one of my classmates. I did not even know when she came here. You can imagine. They don't want me to eat in peace. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Is it a crime to have classmates for crying out loud?
Wow. How do you expect me to leave this when everybody have tested?
You can
and
imagine.
They are testifying.
Oh my God.
So let me eat mine and
Testify as
also.
well.
Yes. Wow.
Okay, eat and testify to the glory of God.
Thank you.
And to the shame of the devil.
Yeah. Wow, this is so delicious.
Okay, so you eat it and let us know what it looks like.
Wow, a big thank you.
Oh my God.
So rosidee
Signature.
Wow. Wow.
Oh my God. Guys, can you see the reaction? Guys.
This is so sweet.
Oh my God.
Thank you, rosidee signature.
Oh my God.
Wow, I'm just testing this for the first time.
Oh my
and
God.
I love it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Just try it at home. When we're done with this course, when you get home, just try it. You'll love it.
Guys, please try and subscribe to rosidee.
Thank you so much.
Signature.
Thank you so
you,
much.
Tom.
Thank you so much.
Wow. Dalla Jama who subscribe in rosidee.
Oh, that gode mama na.
Wannan abinci yayi kyau.
Na gode miki. Na gode miki.
Na gode.
Kin taba ci irin wannan abinci?
Wallahi ban taba ci ba.
Baki taba ci ba, amma kina zama a North.
This is my first time of
Baki san
testing.
yana dadi ko?
Wallahi ban sani ba.
You don't mean
I'm
it.
just testing it for the first time.
Oh my God. And you like it
you.
now. So in kin dawo gida zaki yi naki ko?
Yeah.
Okay.
In kin kira ni, in kin koma. Bar in kin koma gidanki, kin kira ni wallahi zan zo.
To.
Yes.
To, na gode mama na. Na gode miki.
Thank you.
To, sai an jima.